Hello viewers. So moving on to the next question in the series of GATE 2025 electrical engineering solutions from subject signals and systems. In this video, we will be covering the solution to question number 21 of 1 mark MCQ type. According to the master question paper of GATE 2025 electrical engineering from the subject signals and systems. So the question goes like: consider continuous time signal x of t equal to minus t square into u of t plus 4 minus u of t minus 4, where u of t is the continuous time unit step function. Let delta t be the continuous time unit impulse function. The value of integration minus infinity to infinity x of t delta of t plus 3 dt is options given as a minus 9, b 9, c 3 and d minus 3. So pretty simple question based on the shifting property of this continuous time impulse function, unit impulse function and step function is equal. So let's move on to solution. This question. According to the definition given, first let's plot x of t. X of t equal to minus t square u of t plus 4 minus u of t minus 4. This means that x of t exists for this window from minus 4 to 4. Right? T minus 4 equal to 0, so t equal to 4, t plus 4 equal to 0, so t equal to minus 4. It exists for only this window, and it will be in what? In this window it is equal to minus t square for this, and 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. Right? So basically it will look something like this. Parabolic basically. ठीक है ना? Minus t square. So it will be minus 16 x of t is t. I know the definition given, this definition. ठीक है? Now we have to evaluate this integral. Minus infinity to infinity x of t delta of t plus 3 dt. Using the shifting property involving this continuous time unit impulse function, this becomes what? If we equate this to 0, t plus 3 equal to 0, we get t equal to minus 3. We have to simply put t equal to minus 3 in the definition of xt, and the integral vanishes. As limits of minus infinity to infinity, minus 3 is already included in this range, so we will just take out x of minus 3. It's called a shifting property. Now from this graph, what is the value of x of minus 3? Somewhere around here. So minus, it will be nothing but minus of minus 3 square. It is minus 9. Right? So the value of this integral will be minus 9 using the shifting property, and also using the definition of xt given, continuous time signal xt. So the correct answer for this question is basically option A, minus 9. This is a form evaluated it using the simple properties of shifting property of the unit time impulse function, continuous time impulse function, and unit step function definition for xt. Hope the solution is clear and comprehensible. If you still have any doubts or queries regarding this simple solution, as you can see, please feel free to ask in the comments, and I will be glad to answer. That's all for solution to this question. Thank you.